Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come up with another topic for debate, that is regarding the advantages and disadvantages of coaching classes for the students of classes 9th to 12th. Usually this is a trend for students, to take admission in coaching institutes for scoring well in exams like board exams, competitive exams or entrance exams for admissions. However, these coaching institutes promising students a competitive edge over other students, this is a topic of debate, whether it is compulsory for students to take extra help from coaching institutes or they can score well in these exams with self-studies. So first I will talk about the advantages, or you can say for the motion. So there are many things which you can get from coaching institutes. First is the right direction, because they provide students correct guidance, as class 9 to class 12 students need to be prepared for board exams, competitive exams, entrance exams, etc. So that right direction you can get in coaching institutes only. Second, the personalization of studies. Students get individual attention at coaching institutes, because in school teachers have to deal with 40 to 60 students in each class, and their focus is general on just covering their syllabus for students in the time allotted for each period. This makes it difficult for teachers to focus on each student, and hence students are not able to get proper guidance. However, in coaching institutes, the focus is on learning and development of students as per their requirement. Then new learning styles and tips for getting a competitive advantage. The coaching institutes developed different learning techniques for a different type of students that helps students in understanding their subject well. Where in school, all students in the same class get to learn the concept in the same pattern. Class 9th to class 12th students need to schedule their day with the main focus on academics, because these are the most important classes for their academic life, and the coaching classes are helpful in disciplining the students by helping in fixing their daily routine, and students get to cover up specific subjects. Generally it happens that when a student misses school for a day or some days, they lose track of studies at school. When they want to cover the missed out concepts, they are not able to do so, because they have to learn the ongoing concepts in the classroom. But with the help of coaching institutes, students get to learn at their own pace, and they can cover up each concept from the subjects, and they are missed out at the school. Moreover, in cases like students to attend school but they cannot understand the concepts as per the generic method for all students, for example, they are not able to understand the chemical reaction concept, then students can get coaching specially for chemistry subject, where they can understand basic concepts in brief to understand the subject. Now the disadvantage of coaching institutes. See, first of all, the additional expenditure on education. See, nowadays the cost of education is rising with every academic cycle, and if students who are weak in studies or want to score well in exams seek extra help for studies with coaching institutes, then it adds to the cost of education. Not every parent can afford extra expenses for education along with high tuition fees at school. Then the second is extra homework burden on students. See, institutes also give students a lot of homework, because the students need to practice well in order to prepare and score well for exams. Students already get homework for each subject from school, and if they get homework from coaching classes as well, then students do not get enough time to refresh, and they feel burdened with homework. And different from school academic structure, Coaching institutes follow a personalized study pattern for each student, and school follows a generic pattern for each batch of each class. This leaves students in a dilemma as they have to keep up with school studies as well as coaching classes learning. Coaching institutes aim to train students specifically for examination, and hence they prepare them extensively for gaining a competitive edge. For board exams, admission tests and competitive exams, students are prepared along with hundreds of students, and they are made to compete among themselves to analyze their preparation level. Such environment develops anxiety and exam stress in students. One coaching institute is not suitable for students from different schools. I agree to this to some extent. Coaching institutes already have different study curriculum from schools, and when students from different schools join the same coaching institute, then the conflict in students' pace and understanding arise. It's natural. The coaching institutes are not limited to a type of school, and students from different schools or education boards join the coaching institutes. Therefore, the education pattern of schools or board is not same when these students get coaching under the same institute. Then every student has their own problem in concept understanding. Now, what is the conclusion then? Coaching institutes are becoming a major factor for class 9 to class 12th students who are preparing for board exams and other competitive exams. The students who are good in academics can prepare for these exams with self-studies. They do not feel the need to join coaching institutes. Students who feel need to join coaching institute to learn better and score well in these exams should consider factors like an academic record of past students, as well as they can consider coaching classes only for the subject they need extra help with. Besides, students should consider self-studies and help from teachers at school a priority. I hope you understood it, and if you like, please comment. And if you want to add some more points to it, you are most welcome to comment, and I will be glad to have this motivation from you also. Thank you.